The computer you use to run the scoreboard is in the corner of the main office, just to the right of the south pool computer. Insert the USB drive into this computer. If it doesn't already exist, create a folder in My Documents on the Scoreboard PC with the year and name of the swim meet. Then copy the folders that contain the ads and announcements from the USB drive to the folder you just created on the computer. Start the sequence editor by double-clicking on the icon on the desktop. When the sequence editor starts, make sure you are starting with a blank sequence. If not, create a new sequence from the File menu. Start adding each of the advertisement files by clicking on the Add button and then choosing the file you want to add. Unfortunately, these can all be done one at a time. Once selected, click the Open button. You will then be prompted how long to display each image. Advertisements are displayed for 10 seconds each, so enter 10 in the delay box. Then click Add. Do this for each of the advertisement images until you have added them all to the sequence. Once you are finished adding each of the advertisement images to the sequence, you will want to save the sequence file. Save the sequence file to the swim meet folder that you created. Save it as Ads. Starting with the Ads sequence file, add each of the announcement images for a given session to the sequence, as you did with the advertisement images. Each announcement is only displayed for 5 seconds. Once you have completed adding each of the announcement images to the sequence, you will want to save the sequence. Save it to the same swim meet folder as the Ads sequence. Name the file by session number and description. Repeat this process for each of the sessions. To preview the images in your sequence file, make sure you're in preview mode. Click on the image and then click Run Single. To run the sequence file on the scoreboard, click on the Preview Mode button, which changes it to Transmit mode, and then click Run All. If you need to temporarily stop running ads on the scoreboard, click on Stop Run All, and then click Blank. To resume running the ads on the scoreboard, click on the Continue button. Only the North Pool scoreboard is capable of showing events and swimmers, so you will get the start list from the North Pool computer. Insert a USB drive into the North Pool computer and create a folder called Scoreboard. If the folder Scoreboard already exists, delete its contents. Starting at Meet Manager's main window, click on File, then Export, Start List for Scoreboard, then Start List for CTS. In the window that pops up, choose the location of the USB drive and choose the Scoreboard folder, and then click OK. Now you need to make sure you choose the correct session, including the day and the time. Then click OK. Once the download is complete, a pop-up window will tell you how many events were downloaded. Click OK. Now you can safely remove the USB drive from the North Pool computer. Now insert the USB drive into the Scoreboard PC, the one that sits in the corner just to the right of the South Pool computer. If the ads are currently being run on the Scoreboard, stop them by clicking on the Stop Run All, then blank the Scoreboard, then close the sequence editor. The display link application will be reading from the local B drive, so open the B drive and check to make sure it is empty. If it is not empty, clear its contents. Then open the USB drive and open the Scoreboard folder on the USB drive. Select all of the files in that folder. And then copy them. Go back to the local B drive and paste the files you just copied. Open the display link application by double-clicking the icon on the desktop. Once the application opens, click on the Meet menu. Then click on Download All Events. In the window that opens, click on the B drive and click OK. When the transfer is complete, you must close the program and reopen it for the changes to take effect. So click on the Exit button. Now reopen Display Link. Click on the Library button. Expand the Swimming folder and choose the Miller 8-lane display type. And then close the library window. You should now see event and swimmer info displayed both on the computer and the Scoreboard. Check these against the heat sheet to make sure they are accurate.